Weight loss centers, what are they and should you use them? If you have, you will find that you have several different options. For instance, you can casually decide to lose weight, develop your own structured weight loss program, join an online weight loss program, or you can become a member of a local weight loss center. Although each weight loss method is effective, you may be interested in joining a weight loss center. If you have never been a member of a weight loss center before, you may be wondering about them. Weight loss centers are often used to describe local weight loss programs. When joining a weight loss center, you will likely attend weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly meetings at the center location. Most weight loss centers require the payment of a monthly membership fee. Despite the possibility of a variance, these membership fees are often almost always affordable. When looking for a weight loss center to become a member at, you should know that not all weight loss centers are the same. For instance, some weight loss centers only host weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly meetings. These meetings are often used to record your weight, as well as socialize and communicate with others who are looking to lose weight, just like you. On the other hand, there are weight loss centers that give you more membership benefits. These types of weight loss centers may have healthy eating cooking classes, instructional exercise classes, and a fully equipped fitness center for you to use. If you can find a weight loss center that has an on-site fitness center or instructional classes, whether they be for eating or exercising, you are urged to further examine the weight loss center. Yes, the membership fees for these types of weight loss centers may be a little bit higher, but they are well worth it. In fact, those who join weight loss centers that have instructional classes or on-site gyms often report better results. This is because you often feel more motivated to exercise and eat healthily, and you also get support from other hopeful weight loss losers at the same time as well. If you are interested in joining a weight loss center, the first thing that you should do is familiarize yourself with all of your options. This may include asking those that you know, like friends, family members, co-workers, neighbors, or your doctor, for recommendations, using the internet, or your local phone book. Once you have the contact information for several local weight loss centers, you can do a little bit of research or comparison. What you will want to do is examine all of the membership benefits that you are given, like access to healthy recipes, food journals, access to an on-site gym, and so forth. Then, you will want to compare membership fees. If you live in a larger city or town, there is a good chance that you will find at least 2 weight loss centers for you to join. That is why you must take the time to examine and compare all of your options. Yes, any weight loss center is better than no weight loss center, but you should take the time to find the weight loss center that is the perfect match for you and your own personal needs. Doing so may result in you achieving your weight loss goal and in a fun and exciting way.